morning, everybody. We're going to continue learning about the circulatory system today as we start reading some pages from your Science Source book. So we're going to continue hearing about the ways that our circulatory system helps us and how it functions. Do you remember what the main organ is in your circulatory system? Your heart, that's right. And your blood carries things throughout the body. It takes oxygen to the body, and then it removes wastes, specifically removes carbon dioxide. So we're going to be continuing to hear about that, and you'll also take some notes today, which are going to be posted on Bright Thinker. Let's get started. Okay, so your circulatory system moves blood throughout your body. The organs in your circulatory system are your heart and your blood vessels. Now, the vessel in general just means it's a way of transporting things. So we've got a couple of kinds of vessels. Your blood carries oxygen from your lungs to all your cells. So oxygen flows from the heart, or from the lungs, to your cells. Blood also carries nutrients from your digestive system to your cells. So blood actually helps the digestive system carrying nutrients to your cells. Now your blood picks up wastes that your cells produce. It carries these wastes to your kidneys and lungs. And your kidneys are part of your excretory system. Your lungs are part of your respiratory system. We'll get into the excretory system, which is all about removing waste, and your lungs are part of your respiratory system. Respiratory system helps you to breathe. But your lungs are also, they also function as part of your excretory system. Together, your kidneys and lungs move wastes out of your body. So the kidneys and lungs help with that. The heart, once again, is the main organ in your circulatory system, but the circulatory system is really connected to a lot of the systems, helping with your breathing because it's delivering oxygen to your cells and removing waste. Now the heart. Your heart is an organ about the size of your fist. And remember, I showed you that model on Monday, which was about the size of a real human heart. Its function is to pump blood through your blood vessels. All right, so this shows you another way of looking at it from what we saw with that model on Monday. So here's blood that's flowing from your body to your lungs. And then here it's from your lungs to your body. Blood from all parts of your body enters the right side of your heart. So entering from the right. The right side pumps the blood out of your heart to your lungs. In your lungs, the blood releases wastes and picks up oxygen. The blood goes from your lungs to the left side of your heart. Now the left side pumps blood out of your heart to all parts of the body. The blood delivers oxygen to cells and picks up wastes. Then the blood returns to the right side of the body again. The cycle repeats over and over again, which is why it's called the circulatory system. Okay, so blood enters, goes to the body, and then goes from the body back to the heart and then to the lungs. And specifically, once again, it's delivering oxygen to the body, delivering oxygen, and then removing those wastes, bringing it back. Now, blood travels away from the heart in what are called arteries. You can see arteries here, the red. Now, the arteries nearest the heart are very large. You can see that here, that the red specifically is your arteries, much larger near the heart than, for example, in your hands and your arms. they get narrower as they branch out to different parts of the body. The narrowest blood vessels are called capillaries. Okay, so capillaries are the smallest ones. They connect arteries to veins. Arteries are the red, veins are the blue. Know how you can see your veins pretty well through your skin because that blue stands out. Might be hard to tell from here. So, but your arteries don't stand out as much if you're just looking at your skin. Now, the capillaries connect your arteries and veins. So the capillaries you can see here connecting the two. The capillaries, veins carry blood back to the heart. So remember that arteries carry blood from the heart to other parts of the body, and veins carry it back to the heart. So arteries leave the heart, veins go to the heart. Now your blood is made up of solid and liquid parts. The solid parts include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The liquid part of your blood is plasma. And as we learned, plasma makes up over half of it, and then the rest is, once again, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Now, red blood cells carry oxygen. Sorry, it's done here. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells are the ones that fight germs and that cause diseases. So red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells help you fight off diseases. Platelets plug holes in injured blood vessels. The plugs are blood clots. That doesn't probably sound like it's a good thing, but it is because that actually stops you from bleeding. So if, for example, you cut yourself, it bleeds for a little while, but then it clots up so that it stops on its own. And platelets are the reason that that happens. It could save a person's life even. If there is a minor cut that is clotted up so that not any more blood loss happens, or it could actually, there could be a clot or one of those plugs like around a person's heart if there's internal bleeding. So platelets are the reason that that happens. It plugs the hole of an injured blood vessel like a cut or scrape. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight germs. Okay, that is all for your circulatory system for today's lesson. You'll take some notes on what we just talked about. And then tomorrow you're going to be getting a circulatory system or heart diagram to have in your notes. So that'll be Thursday's assignment. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.